morning, and today we're going to do something a little different. We're going to do my seed haul that I just got in. So I ordered quite a bit of these seeds from different places, and I figured we just go what we're going to be planting this year. So the first place that I ordered seeds from is called O Canada Seeds, and I ordered these Canadian wildflower seeds. There's 19 varieties in here. And the best way to plant these is you plant half the package, let them sit for 2 weeks to 4 weeks, and then plant the other half. So you're always having nice blooms throughout the season. And it's very easy. They just sit on the top, water them in. You can even sprinkle a little bit of fertilizer, like plant starter fertilizer. But I love them. They have sunflowers in them, chamomiles in them. If I remember correctly, they had cornflower in them and some black-eyed Susans. Next ones that they sent me was the rock cress for rock gardens, little purple flower. These are great in rock gardens, around ponds, and I put them around my little pond I have. They are spreaders, so if you don't want them to spread, I recommend you don't put them out because they do spread quite a bit. And I got 4 packages of these seeds. These are a perennial, so once they're planted, you never have to plant them again. Now, a lot of their seeds come in plastic baggies. So this is my cucumber. They're called Space Maker. I've never had a problem with them. They've always come up. The seeds are usually good. I've had packages for 3 years, and they said they expired last year, and I just put them on paper towel and wet the paper towel, and within 48 hours to 72 hours, I was still germinating, so it's still good to use them. Some more that they sent me is Scotia tomato. Now, these Scotia tomatoes are the biggest tomatoes I've ever grown. They're my favorite. They have a very nice taste to them. So that's a definite that we'll be planting this year. Black seeded lettuce they sent me. This is called the provider bean. So it's a black bean, brown bean. Great for doing stews. So if you like beans, this is a good one. They sent me carrots. Some more black seeded lemon, lemon, sorry. And I would say there's at least 1,000 seeds in that package. I find with O Canada Seeds, like, they give you the value for your money. Dwarf blue kale seeds. This has a really nice taste to it, not bitter at all. Great to cook with. Autumn giant leeks. This is every year I plant this, and this is so good. Some more blue curled kale. Now they gave me some spinach. There's 100 seeds in here, it says on the package. Now they also sent me some of my herbs. So my oregano and my dill. So those are from O Canada Seeds. And you can just go online and order them. This fair amount of seeds here only cost me $35. Now, these are more seeds that they sent me of from a herb garden. Basil, parsley, more dill. They sent me a trial seed. Now, when they send them in this little envelope, it's a trial seed, so I didn't pay for them. They are purple top white globe turnip. 500 seeds. Not bad. For free. I love turnips, so we'll definitely give those a try. They also sent me some thyme, cilantro, rosemary, chives, and chamomile. Lovely. I also ordered this. This is from a new place. It's called a bio product. It's chamomile. I've just recently heard about them, and they deliver all across the world. So I heard that they were really good for their seeds, so I like a lot of chamomile. So for making chamomile tea, and obviously the flowers are so pretty, so I thought I'd give them a try. Now, another place I ordered seeds from, Mr. Fothergill's. So I mainly got a lot of flowers from them. So they sent me dahlias. And what else did they send me? My foxgloves, 2 packages. Those I'll be getting ready soon. Hollyhocks, the mixture. So, and my California poppy, the mission bells. So the mixed colors. So this one is I ordered from they're called non-GMO, non-hybrid, and they're from Home Garden. So, and this is their pack that they assemble. This is called the Home Garden 13 Vegetable Indoor Outdoor Start. This is their new variety pack that they just put out on the market. So let's see what they sent me. I have no idea. Oh, let's get those ones out. Oh, and they send just like the Oh Canada sends. I think there's another one down there and I can't get it. Nope, that's it. Let's see what they sent. They sent me spinach, chives, red chili pepper. We'll definitely going to be trying a lot of these. Cilantro, onions, carrots, cucumbers, lettuce, basil, tomato, bell peppers, mixed color, peas, and zucchini. Now what they do is they put in the little package. This is great for beginners. Beginner's guide. And it tells you exactly how to plant everything and what you would need on the back. So this is great for beginners. I believe I only paid $25 or $30 for these packages. And the seeds actually that they sent in this pack is normally what people would start gardening with. That's a great little pack, I think. Give me a comment below and let me know what you think of the pack. We'll see how the seeds work out this year and I'll do a good review on them. Or not. So, also got this from O Canada Seeds. It's called the Big Garden Variety. So, in this, it's going to have everything you possibly need for a new gardener. Even somebody that just doesn't want to spend a lot of money on seeds. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Oh my goodness. Am I able to get this open? Oh, there we go. It's a big haul. Wow. Let's see what they gave us. Detroit dark red beet. I'll have to try that one. Black seeded lettuce. sparkler radish. Now, why is that a sparkler? Red top, white bottom radish that's ready in less than a month. Oh, so they're good for, once you sow them, they'll be popped up and ready to pick in a month. Early snowball cauliflower, my favorite. Very easy to plant. Sugar snap peas. Black beauty zucchini. I love black beauty zucchinis. Celery. Red cherry tomatoes. Now all these seeds back here say they're good until March of 2026. And they were packaged December 2023. Not bad. Copenhagen market cabbage. Never heard of that one before. Table Queen acorn squash. Provider bean. California Wonder peppers. Roma tomatoes. Nice. Space Master cucumber. So these are the ones that you can grow up along the vine and they hang easy. Black curled Bates kale. Connecticut field pumpkins. Romaine lettuce. There's a lot of seeds in here. Holy cow. Bloomsdale long-standing spinach. Carrots. Ooh, dropped that pack. Sorry. And corn. And they send you this nice little thank you card for ordering. Nice. So it's a pretty small outfit, but I've been getting seeds from them for quite a while now, and I've never had a problem with them, ever. So, and I believe that package of seeds I paid $30 to $40, which is not bad, and that haul there would be great for any beginner, for anyone really. I think the combos are the best bet. So let's count how many packs of seeds we got in that one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 packs. That's not bad. And if you go to like any store, you're looking at $2.99, $1.99 a pack, and for less seeds. Like, there's a lot of seeds in some of these packs. Like even the corn. They say there's 40 seeds in there. Let's see the peppers. 50 seeds? Can't go wrong. Definitely a budget. Well, if you're budget conscious and or just starting out and you find everything's really expensive, definitely look into getting, like, from any manufacturer if they have a bundle pack or a starter pack. Now I can't get them back in the bag. That's funny. And if you're starting out, go to the dollar store and get your pots and your sewing kits from there. Like, I went there and I got a lot of my starting stuff there, like my pressure sprayer. It can't get it much cheaper. So we're gonna go now. These are seeds that were sent to me. I'm gonna try them this year. So I didn't buy these ones were sent to me. So I have sweet pea, purple cornflower that we're gonna start. Cosmos bunching onions, which I'm gonna probably start today, oregano, and cilantro. And these are the other ones that were sent to me. I did try these a few years ago. They're called a bean hair coat, but you can't eat them. It's just more, it's ornamental. What else? We have asters, purple cornflower again. Oh, Zena is one of my favorite flowers. So I definitely will be trying all of these seeds that were sent to me, and I want to thank you to everyone that sent me seeds. It's very much appreciated. If you have a comment, leave me a comment. I'll be happy to get back to you. If you have any questions, please like and share. Consider being a subscriber. It's free. It helps, really helps every time somebody subscribes. And I want to thank you for joining me today. Have a great day, everyone. See you next time. Bye now.